Are you in the business of electronics? Did you know it's your legal responsibility to recycle the waste your products create? That's where E-Waste EPR comes in. EPR, or Extended Producer Responsibility, is a rule that ensures companies take care of their products even after they're sold. This includes collecting and recycling e-waste responsibly. So who needs to apply for E-Waste EPR? If you're a manufacturer of electronic products, an importer bringing electronics into India, a distributor or brand owner selling electronic goods, then EPR compliance is mandatory for you. From large appliances to small gadgets, almost all electronic and electrical products are covered under EPR. Let's talk about the documents you'll need for E-Waste EPR registration. Here's the complete checklist. GST Certificate, Certificate of Incorporation, IEC Certificate, UDIME Certificate, Company PAN Card, Authorized Person's PAN Card, Authorized Person's Aadhaar Card. Preparing these documents in advance can save you time and ensure a smoother registration process. If you're unsure about any of these requirements, don't hesitate to consult an expert or professional service for assistance. Here's a step-by-step guide to apply for E-Waste EPR certification. Once your documents are ready, register on the Central Pollution Control Board's website, submit your EPR plan, and upload the required files. The board reviews your application, and once approved, you'll receive your EPR certificate. Navigating EPR compliance can be daunting. Common challenges include preparing the EPR plan, coordinating with recyclers, and managing documentation. If you're unsure where to start, don't worry, we're here to help. Our team at Rego Services offers end-to-end EPR solutions. We handle everything, from registration to compliance management, so you can focus on your business while we take care of the paperwork and legalities. Get started today. Contact us for expert guidance, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on certifications, compliance, and business success.